Hey guys, in the previous two videos, we checked out our candy cane ornament and our snowflake prototype. In this video, we're going to look at our angel ornament. So we have a hollow inside as well as two wings. Originally, our wings could be filled with paint, but we made the holes too small so nothing can get through there. And we wanted the halo to be filled too. So this one actually has a heart on the center. It might be too small to see, but we have a heart that you can fill through the back with paint. We obviously needed to scale up this design for it to work at all, but we ended up just putting this in the vault. We may be saving it for the next season. All right, see you guys later.